Hi everyone, it's Curry from Banano. The date of recording is the 8th of September 2021, and you may be aware of some issues with the Vault wallet. I'm going to briefly explain what the problem is, what issues this causes, and a temporary workaround to allow you to use the Vault wallet again. First off, we'll take a look at the Block Explorer Creepers network status page and see how many transactions other nodes have in their ledgers. So we can see most nodes are at 27 million blocks with very few unchecked blocks. And now I'll take a look at the block count of the node behind Vault. I'll leave this URL in the description if you want to check the sync status yourself. See how the block count is much lower, almost 4 million blocks lower. This means that the balances and transactions will be behind when looking at this node's copy of the ledger, which the Vault refers to by default. Over the past few days, we've expected the node to be synced, but there appears to be some hardware related issues causing it to struggle to sync. If you're planning on holding on to your Banano and don't need to make any transactions with Vault, I suggest just sitting tight and wait for now until the node issues are resolved. If you can't wait and you need to use Vault, then I'll go on to how to fix this now. Let's now take a look at an account on Creeper which has a balance and a recent transaction from today. It's got a balance of 1 Banano, and let's have a look at the same account in Vault, and we can see that the balance is 0. As we saw, Vault's records are about 4 million blocks behind, so this balance is incorrect. Making transactions while using an out-of-date ledger can create fork blocks which don't get accepted by the rest of the network, so if you've tried making a transaction with Vault and it hasn't been received, please follow these steps that I'm going to show you as well. As our fix, we're going to use a different node to retrieve our ledger information from. You can find a list of potential nodes at public.banano.live. And in this example, I'm going to use the Callium node API. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back to Vault. And then I'm going to go to App Settings, go to Server Settings, go to Custom, set my API as this Callium API, and update the server settings, and we'll see that my balance is updated. Now, depending on the node that we chose, we may have another problem. The default node configuration does the proof of work required for a transaction, but some nodes have this option disabled and so will no longer be able to make transactions. To know if this is an issue for you with the node that you selected, try creating a new account and see if you get these errors unable to generate work. To solve this issue, we need to go to our app settings again and go to proof of work source, and instead of the default, which is server, we need to select one of the client-side options, either WebGL, which is the recommended, or CPU. And after this, we can update our settings again, and we should now be able to create accounts without any of the errors. I hope you found this video helpful. We're hoping that the issues with the node are resolved soon. Thanks for watching.